loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. And as you can see, I have a special guest today. It's my granddaughter, Adrianne. And we have a Dollar Tree
haul
for you guys today. And it's a huge one. So we are just going to jump right into it and show you all the things that we picked up. There's some new items and a few fall items. So the very first thing we picked up is the Quick Whisk. My store has a ton of these. I ended up picking up 2. I got one for me, and Adrianne is demonstrating exactly what it is. We love this thing.
It looks like a butterfly.
She thinks it looks like a butterfly. So that's the very first thing we ended up picking up. Then next, I found this kitchen towel. I think it's really cute. It says, "A house is not a home without paw prints." And as you guys know, I have 2 Chihuahuas. And their names are?
Bandit and Dozer.
Bandit and Dozer. So I thought that would be really cute for our house. Next, I picked up these.
Apple thing?
Yep, that's an apple. It is,
like you use like to cut it on your, like, for your cherry, is that what?
Yep, it's a cutting board. And so I picked up one apple one, and it comes with a paring knife on it. My store never had these before, and so they were opening a brand new box, so I got one apple for like our outdoor area.
We have yellow, red, and green.
Yep, yellow, red, and green. And this one is a
lemon.
I picked up the lemon for my sister Chrissy because she has some lemon decor. And this one is, it's a weird shape. It's a strawberry.
Strawberry.
Yeah. And I picked up this one for me because, as you guys know, I have red in my kitchen most of the time. Though this, right now, we have pinks in here. Then
and
next,
you have a toaster,
yep,
red and black.
Normally my kitchen is reds, black, and white.
There's red tomatoes up there.
Yep. And then, is this the thing you're going to show?
Yeah. These are washcloths.
These are microfiber washcloths, and my store was putting out a ton of them. You get 4 in a pack. I've never tried these. I was hoping they're going to do well because we need some new washcloths, and getting 4 for $1. I know they're kind of thin, but we'll see how they work. If not, they'll be cleaning rags. Then next, I ended up picking up these over in the home section. And here, you want to hold one? They are the new placemats.
Oh, like you use them, like you put a plate on it and then you
like. But you guys know me, I bought them to craft with, so I'm not going to use them as placemats, but I thought they were really pretty. I like this one. They also had the ones that were gray and white, but I don't do a lot of gray in my house, so I did not pick that up to use as placemats anyway. Then, next, is that it for the kitchen section? Nope, well, this isn't really kitchen, but I'll call it kitchen. You can show this one, and I'll show this one.
Plastic bowls.
They are plastic tubs, yep. I picked up 1 in this size, and then this has 2 in the smaller size. I saw some people haul them where there were 4 in the smaller size, but my store didn't have those. Yeah, they didn't have those. So we're going to DIY with these. They are not going to stay this bright green. We're going to figure out something to make with those.
Like, you're going to change them like different colors so you made the wagon and stuff?
Yeah, I'm going to spray paint them. So then next, here, why don't you show them these? I picked up 2 of the little buckets. Yep.
And then Grandma has the 3 buckets of black ones.
Yep. My store actually had 3 black ones, and I ended up getting the gray ones first and then the black ones after. And I wish I would have found the black ones to start with, because then I wouldn't have needed the gray ones. But I'm pretty sure I'll figure out something to do with them. I saw a lot of people use these little buckets to make like the little planters with the number 1, 2, and 3. I'm not going to do that with mine, but I will figure out something to do with them. So I think that's it on the things that are kind of kitchen-y.
These are kitchen.
No, actually those are art supplies. So let's do art supplies. You can show them.
Well, I don't even know what are these.
These are art palettes, and you get 6 of them in a thing. And each one has 6 little compartments.
Yes.
Here, I'll hold it up so they can really see what it is. And you get 6 of them individually. I always use, when I'm doing crafts and painting, little paper bowls that I have, but I realized I was going through a lot of paper bowls, and they're not savable, so I end up throwing them away. These are plastic, so you can wash them out and you can keep them, and I won't be wasteful anymore. So then, next in art supplies, here you can show this.
This is so cute, right?
Yep, yeah, hold it up. There you go. I picked up this stencil, and it is by Jot, like the other stencils I have.
Color them in like...
You color in, and you can stencil things on all kinds of stuff. I have a Cricut machine, so I really don't need to stencil. I can like print these out, but I thought it'd be really cute for her to be able to do things, and my grandson. So on this one, it has a fox, an owl, then it says little friends here, a raccoon, a bird, and a little heart. I thought that was really, really cute,
like
and this brand new. Yep, the words say little friends. So
fox, owl, and birdie. Another fox.
Nope, that's a
A
raccoon.
raccoon and then a heart.
Yep. And so I picked up one of those. Then next I picked up, you want to get those?
And she has one.
You got to show those. I picked up these poster letters, and as you can see, the one she has, show them again.
They're purple and orange.
Purple and orange
She got
poster letters. There's 78 letters in it all together, and then I picked up the red and the black. I did not really want the purple and the orange, but these are the only two that they had, and each has 78 letters, so there's 3 of each letter in there. I really wanted the black. I'm not sure that I'll ever use the red either, but they're so big and they're really nice looking. I think I can just spray paint them and make them all black if I wanted to. No, not that one yet. How about these? Because those are art supplies too.
These are coloring glitters.
Glitter paper. So in my store they were putting out
We have purple
glitter paper.
You guys can't really see the glitter, but there's lots of glitter.
These are by Jot too, and there are
blue.
Woo, right in front of my face. There are 3 in each one. So we have purple. She said blue. Well, that's gold.
Well, it's kind of what's gold. It's yellow too, and we have a really sparkly green.
And a green. So I picked up all the colors that they had. I really wish they would have had this in a pink because that's her favorite color. And it would have been nice to have one in black. I picked these up to use with my Cricut Explorer Air 2. And I like that you have 3 sheets in each one. So these will be really great for crafting. Then next, you can show them those.
What are the haste?
Nope, these.
We have racers.
Nope, those are paintbrushes.
No.
I finally found, here, let's hold it down so they can see. I finally found the 17 pack. Actually, Chad found these because I overlooked them. 17 pack foam paintbrushes that Dollar Tree is selling right now. This is such a huge deal. I was so excited that he found this, but they only had 1 pack. So hopefully our other stores will get them in and I can get some more because I use these all the time in crafting. You guys always see me utilizing these little brushes, and nowhere sells them for that cheap where I live. So really happy on that one. Now next you can show them this
lantern.
I found one. I really wish I would have found more than one of these. It's really cute LED lantern, and I really wanted this for like Halloween time and stuff. I have an idea for a DIY. So I ended up picking up one of them. No, it won't turn on yet because the little tag's still in it. But I really like the style of this one. They have some other ones that last a little bit longer, but they're not this style. So we picked up one of those. Then, girlfriend is really excited to show you this.
It's like a doll bath.
Yep. They got in these new big pieces of plastic doll furniture at my store. I don't know if the other stores had them before. They have a bathtub, which is this right here. It's like a clawfoot. It's very cute. They also have a toilet. They have 2 chairs stacked together, which are in blue. The toilet's white. Then they have a bed. It's in lavender. And they have a sofa in lavender. And that's all I saw at my store.
You should have got the bed too.
Well, you don't need it. I picked up this to craft with instead of for her to play with because she doesn't need it. She's got all kinds of doll furniture.
I got baths already.
Yeah, so picked up one of those. The chairs and other stuff too will like look there. As you can see, they kind of fit Barbie. They're about the size of a Barbie. Then next, go ahead. You can show them those if you want.
Yeah, you can use them as hay too. I'm pretty sure they are hay.
They are. I picked up 2 little hay barrels.
So you guys didn't see this. We have hay.
Okay, hold on. Let me sit down and you can tell them.
Cool hay that they are actually hay.
Yes. Well, I'm sure they're fake hay.
Yes.
But yeah, we picked up 2 of these little hay barrels. It's straw bales, it says, but it looks like hay. Then we picked up. You want to show them those?
Here, you can carry 2.
Well, just pick up. Okay.
There's 2 different colors.
I ended up finding 2 of the plaques, and this one
is beige.
It is beige, and it says grateful on it, and it has like this plaid on the side, and then that
like a white one.
That's a white one, and it says what on it? Thankful.
It's cursive. It's thankful.
Yeah, she has trouble reading cursive.
It's cursive.
And so on the thankful one, I'm sure you guys seen these already. It has like buffalo check and black and white on the side. So I picked up 2 of each. You know, I think this one's really cute, and I might keep it this way, but I'm probably gonna end up crafting with them. You guys know me. I pick up all these supplies and then I change them into something else. Then, you want to show them these?
These. What are these again? River rocks?
Yep, I picked up 1 bag of the blackish brown river rocks, the bigger ones. I do have an idea to put these with some other things to make a DIY.
Yes,
so I have those.
Down below.
And then I picked up these. These are 2 willow wreaths. I need another one to actually do the DIY.
Like kind of black. That one's like sort of kind of brown.
Yeah, because it's real wood, and so I need 1 more. I'm on the hunt for 1 more of those. And no, we are not making a crown wreath, but it could work for that.
Yeah, it could.
Then I picked up 2 sets of these tiny wire wreath forms, and you get 2
sit them down on the ground and stuff like that.
each. And so I picked up 2 sets of these because I never see these in our stores anymore.
You should give them to Granny if you're not going to use them.
I'm going to use them to make something, most definitely.
What?
Then, next, you want to show them these.
Those are lots of flowers.
I picked up some florals. And I only picked up beige and sort of this orange.
Orangey.
And then this deeper orange, like a coral. And I picked these up. I have a lot of fall flowers, and so I don't really need very many. But I thought these were really pretty. I like the fact that these have like smaller flowers on the end. And then this other one is just all the bigger flowers. They're the same color, but they are a different style. They all just say filler bouquet. And then on these, they're the smaller ones in the lighter orange.
I like these.
And then the bigger ones in this deeper, like burnt orange. And these also say filler bouquet. Okay, we are done with that. Then next, and we are almost finished. I picked up, actually my sister Chrissy picked up because I was so mad that my stores didn't get them in. And she went to a store and they had them. The metal signs that say thankful, harvest, and welcome. Right? Thankful, harvest, and welcome.
We have a video that they had lots of them inside.
Yeah. And so I was really happy to find these because last year our stores never got them in. Everyone was hauling them and our stores never once got them in. So I ended up having her pick me up 3 sets because I'm like, I'm not going to be out of these again. I don't know if I'm going to use them on DIY this year, but they're so nice and you get 3 for $1. Definitely getting those. And then lastly, Dollar Tree got in a whole bunch of picks. Now that's going to fall off if you're not careful. I picked up 1 pick with the really pretty sunflower because I want the sunflower part of it.
You can put that in the wagon.
It already has sunflowers in it. And so I am going to be taking this sunflower off to use in a DIY. so that is it. We actually got through it.
No.
Oh yeah, I did pick up one piece of this burlap because I have an item that has this burlap on it from last year and it was damaged, so I just picked it up to replace it. So what was your favorite thing that we found at Dollar Tree this time? Comment down below and let us know. What was your favorite thing?
These river rocks and the lantern.
Oh yeah, I really like the lantern too. I think it's pretty cool and I was really happy to find it. My favorite thing, I'm gonna have to go with two things. Also, it is the paintbrushes and I have to say the metal signs. The paintbrushes are such a great deal. You can't pass that up. And then the metal signs, I literally have been waiting for forever and I'm so grateful that my sister picked them up for me. So that is it for this Dollar Tree haul. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my video. And if you're not a member here at Lacee Space yet, what do they have to do? Smash that like button. Become a member. Hang out with us for a while. We have a lot of fun here. Also, you can give this video
a thumbs up
if you want to see Miss Thing on here again. I know it's a little chaotic when you have little ones that are helping you, but this was a lot of fun. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it is spelled here. And we will catch you in our next video.
Bye. Bye.